All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, 6-in-1 miners, new launches are coming up, all kinds of good stuff on cryptocurrency. Well, today we're going to be talking about AMP token. We haven't talked about AMP in about 3 or 4 weeks. We got a lot of good things going on. The coin is down right now, just like all the other cryptocurrency. Is this the time to actually cost average your AMP token? Or if you're brand new, is this the time to get into AMP token? We'll find out here in this episode. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos, or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own it, be in some projects. When we're done today, we're going to talk about a launch going on today. The Elk of Fortune is launching today. So if you're looking to get into crypto projects, it's launching today. So at the end of AMP, when we're done, we're going to talk about the Elk of Fortune. All right, let's head over to AMP token. All right, take a look at this. AMP is number 82 on CoinMarketCap. It's down 2% for the week, but it's up 6% for the day. Ding, 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 beating that down for the week. It's up more today than it's been down for the week. Let's go ahead and click it. AMP's not a penny anymore. It's 0.009, so almost a penny AMP token. So let's take a look here in the last little bit. In the 24 hours, it looks like AMP is actually doing really, really good. In the last 7 days, it's actually still up more in the last 7 days than what it's been up. Well, that's some fantastic news here. Again, AMP token being up 6% for the day. Yeah, everybody in the AMP community has got to be happy about that. Let's go over to their Twitter account. AMP token is a decentralized token that provides instant variable assurance for any real-world applications developed by Flexa HQ. AMP can collateralize any type of asset transfers, whether digital or physical. Today, AMP is providing the collateral for instant, fraud-proof transactions made using more than 25 different digital assets. Look at that. Okay, we got some good announcements. On the 17th of June, one of the best parts was getting to meet so many at the census in 2022, the AMP community members, IRLs. We appreciate everyone coming out and looking forward to continuing to build. So it says right here, we love spending our digital currency at Chipotle tweets, instant and easy, the way payments should be. Super amped to be accompanied by the John Kim Show. Oh, look at that. We got all kinds of things. They're going into let's take a look at this here. Isn't that pretty neat? They're paying with AMP powered by Flexa at Chipotle's. The John Kim Show. Wow, look at that, everybody. Big stuff going on. More big news for AMP. Ask Etoro team. They give a warm welcome to 3 new cryptocurrencies, and Etoro is now inviting AMP to be one of their cryptocurrencies on Etoro. Offered on Etoro, the underlying asset not available in the US right this second, but the bottom line is it is offered. Take a look at that. Etoro AMP token. That's right, the more and more. This token is not quite a penny right this second, but you know what? With all this stuff that's going on. Now look at this right here. That's a wrap. Census 2022 for making the desk spendable in conference and music venues to speak on a main stage here. So here they were, speaking at the main convention, AMP token, trying to take over, trying to get above a penny again. AMP is doing all kinds of things, and this is the one I like. All kinds of good stuff going on again right here, live from Bancorp booth, the Census interview. AMP is doing fantastic. Going over to their website, let's take money into the 21st century. AMP provides assets like USDC with instant variable assurance for any real-world application. You can stake the AMP. You can send the AMP. You can repeat. Says when you stake it, AMP is an extensible platform collateralized asset transfer. By staking the AMP, any form of value exchange can be guaranteed. Digital payments, fiat currencies, exchanges, loan distributions, property sales, and more. Once you stake it, then what do? You got it. You send the AMP. Once it's staked to partitions, AMP is ready to collateralize the transfer. With the use of collateral pools, AMP efficiently decentralizes the risk of the asset transfers, especially suitable for fraud-proof network and any real-world application. Once you send it, then you know the answer. Boom, you repeat. AMP has been doing fantastic right now. They're doing all kinds of collaborations. Why AMP? AMP helps you decentralize the risk for users with smart contract features, purposes built for collateral. Nothing more and nothing less. They got their white paper here on their webpage. You can check that out. Make sure you do. And here's the staking payments and Flex to provide stability through liquidity. The AMP ecosystem offers many ways to earn AMP today. Look at all the people and all companies they're working with. Flexa, Bittrex, Uniswap, Sushi, Loopring, Moonswap, all kinds of companies they're working with. So lots of stuff is going on with the AMP token. Don't forget to get your AMP today. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. AMP is not going anywhere. It's helping brick and mortar companies. You saw Chipotle's. They were going and buying Chipotle's using the Flexa network, paying in AMP token with their QR code. All kinds of good stuff. Well, we always love to bring you awesome things on this show. There's a launch going on today, Elk of Fortune. Now, if you missed this show today and you're here in 3 days from now or 5 days from now, it's never too late to get into Elk of Fortune. We're going to go ahead and go there right now. The Elk of Fortune launching today. Right here's the Elk of Fortune. You can buy your elk up here. The Elk of Fortune also works really close hand with the Cake of Fortune. The Elk of Fortune, a smart, sustainable way to grow your elk on the Binance Smart Chain. You know, you're going to get a 4% referral fee. Start mining today. Why I'm doing this video, it hasn't launched yet. It's launching in about 3 or 4 hours. So if you are watching this AMP token, it's not too late to get into elk. This is going to be like a crop farmers where you're going to have to compound so many times. There's going to be a 40% tax if you take your money out too early. It does pay 3% a day. Let's go ahead and check this out. What is Elk of Fortune? Elk of Fortune is a decentralized game built on the Binance Smart Chain. The objective of the game is to hire more miners sooner than later than any other players. This in turn earns you more elk faster. These miners work for you tirelessly, paying you daily averages of 3% miner every day. 3% a day, that's a fantastic return, very sustainable. The daily percentage return depends on the user's actions that are the tokens with the platform that impacts the miner's efficiency rate. The miner's efficiency rate rises and falls as the users hire miners, compound earnings, and pocket out rewards. Once the miners are held, they cannot be sold. So when you buy your miners, I'm going to show you this right here. I'm actually going to putting about $500 into this today, but you have to transfer it into elk. I have 1,862 elk that I'm putting into this little project today. It's not live right this second, but when it is live, I'm putting 1,862 into it. All right, it says the sustainable and longevity of the game will depend on every single player. Action is crucial to compound your earnings, at least and often as you can pocket them. The moment someone doesn't do their part, the game as a whole starts to suffer. Now remember, there's a 40% tax, so I think everybody should play the game properly. But if you didn't play it properly, that 40% does stay in the contract, so you are helping the contract by playing wrongly. I would still say play the proper way. It is also important to spread the word and recruit more people and players if they join. If everyone brings in 2 people into this project, everyone plays the game it is meant to be played, everyone wins. Do your part with this game and it will last very, very long. The dev fees will also be used in the server pools to increase the contract balance and the longevity of the contract, self-sustainable. You can go here and talk about how the miners work. Miners are going to be making you money. I want to talk about the lottery right here. How does the lottery work? Every 3 elks you deposit or compound, you will automatically be giving 1 ticket to the current lottery, up to 50 tickets max. These tickets come at no additional cost to you and have no impact on your overall investments. The lottery is automatically drawn every 4 hours, and when the lottery has 100 people participating, whatever comes first. When the lottery is selected, 90% of that money, whoever wins, goes back into your wallet. Fantastic. And can't not do this. The Elk of Fortune, they're going to take 1% of their money and they're going to put it into, you guessed it, the Cake of Fortune. This little bad boy has been out for a month and it's been running fantastic. When I started doing videos on this about 3 weeks ago, there was $4,000 in the contract. Now there's over $12,000 in the contract. Go and check out some of my videos. I'll link them in the bottom. I'll also link them right here. You go to YouTube.
Hello, welcome to my next YouTube video. My name's Crypto Craig. And today is Sunday, so we all know what's going on today. It is the rehypothecation day. So, today we are going over the Cake of Fortune, and we are on 1030 cake. In the past 5 days, we have had an increase of 3.5% each day.
All right, that's Crypto Craig talking about the Cake of Fortune. And that again is right at the top of the page right here. And if you see on the top of the page of the Elk of Fortune is the Cake of Fortune. All right, some awesome projects. AMP token we're talking about. Also bringing you a launch today, the Elk of Fortune, and telling you about a fantastic another project, the Cake of Fortune. All kinds of good stuff. Let's head back over to AMP token and do a little price prediction. All right, back at their Twitter account, make sure you go and check out all the awesome things that AMP token is doing. Now let's take a look at this. What's my price prediction? This coin is up 6%. I think in the near future it's going to get to a penny again. I was talking about this token when it was 4 cents. I was talking about this token when it was 5 cents. I was talking about AMP token when it shot up to 7 cents. Not this last May, but the May before that, it actually went to 12 cents. I really do like AMP. Again, all my information is for educational purposes only. It is up right this second. I'm thinking it can get back to a penny. Click the like button to like the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon. All kinds of good stuff. Click right here and you can watch my video on Elk of Fortune launching today. Click over here and you can watch the Cake of Fortune. All kinds of good stuff. Thanks for tuning in about AMP, Elk of Fortune, and Cake of Fortune. We'll see you a little bit later on today.